3 mlade avanturiste smo ujeli pri slovenskem ljubitelju minijev Gregorju Brunku. Pri njem so se ustavili zaradi manjšega popravila. Menjati so morali tesnilo na sklopki.
After we get past Turkey, it's going to be very dusty and it could be windy, anything like that as well. And trying to find shelter will be very difficult, so it's quite important that we got it done now, I think so.
Doslej so prevozili približno 2400 km, pred njimi jih je še 13500. Do Mongolije naj bi pripotovali približno v 4 tednih. Pravila relija so sila enostavna.
Get a car that's unsuitable for a trip that's so long and you get in the car and you go. There are no rules, there's no support crew.
If you took a big 4-litre Land Rover, where would be the challenge?
Glavni cilj tekmovalca je, da uspe prispeti do Mongolije. Kljub temu obstajata 2 pomembni pravili. In sicer prostornina avtomobila ne sme presegati 1200 kubikov. Prav tako avtomobil ne sme biti starejši od 10 let.
We have 1.275. But shush. Nobody knows.
V vzdržljivost svojega minija mladi študenti močno verjamejo, saj so prepričani, da jim bo uspelo prispeti na cilj.
Of course we will make it, definitely. If we do, we will be the 3rd Mini ever in Mongolia. So
Mini is the best car, so the best car will always make it.
Kot so nam povedali mladi ljubitelji minijev, so po 5 dneh potovanja že nekoliko utrujeni, vendar v sodi se ne bodo vdali hitro, saj so na nadaljnje dogodivščine pripravljeni.
Ahead, who knows what to expect? I think that's part of the fun, really. We could be stuck at borders for days, we could be... who knows? I really couldn't say.